Hi, Andrew from The Investor's Way here, and welcome to day 9 of my 30-day video challenge, where I'm trying to answer some of your questions on money and investing and helping you get started in understanding how to take charge of your money and build for your financial future self. And so today I have a question from Emily, which goes, she wants to know how to get started in investing. And the first thing that I'd say in relation to getting started is to make sure that at the end of the month, or actually at the start of the month, you put some money aside for yourself and for your future self. So that's your investment fund. And there's lots of things you can do as to how to identify that amount of money. But let's just, for the sake of this discussion, say that you need to put some money aside each month for your investing activities. Once you've done that, then you have to start looking at how you're going to spread your investments. So if you're looking to get started, you'll know from some prior videos that I've talked about stocks, property, and cash-based investments like bonds. So if you're getting started, you want to pick at least one to get some money flowing into that category. But very quickly, you want to make sure that you're spreading your investment dollars across all three of those categories. So to get started, there is some new products available, such as exchange traded funds or ETFs that can actually enable you to invest in a stock market product that will give you exposure to both stocks, property and cash-based assets. So that could be a great place to get started, because you can start with small amounts of money and put that into an ETF across each of those categories, and you can split your money fairly easily across those categories just to get started. But down the track, as you're building your investments, you're going to look for direct investments in both stocks, property and cash-based investments, and that can be done with a little bit of leverage as well. But that's, I guess, for the intermediate investors, once you've started to build up a little bit of wealth and a little bit of reserves in each of those categories. So to get started, the first thing absolutely is to make sure that you are paying yourself first and putting a little bit of money aside for investments, and then looking at something like some exchange traded funds just to start getting some exposure to each of those three asset categories whilst your funds are relatively small. So that's a good place to get started. I hope that helps you understand how to get started. If not, please leave me a question below and share this video with your friends or somebody who you feel might benefit from this short video series. And please don't forget to like and share the videos so that we can get that message spread as far and as wide as possible. And if you've got a question about money or investing, leave that in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to address those questions in coming weeks. We're still 3 weeks of videos to go. There's plenty of questions still available for you to put in that comment box below, and I'm happy to address those over coming weeks. So, Andrew from The Investor's Way, I'm dedicated to your wealth, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.